normal rounds. You're gonna soften that fire moth up. Wanted to go fight some Jade Falcons and salvage some clan tech. Because, I mean, and if I turn off a medium pulse. Medium, yeah, well, hold on. There we go. With the long distance laser fire. And your B with everything else.
Firing on multiple enemies.
It was worth a shot. Eh? Oh. Oh, lame.
Hey! Stand still when I'm attacking you!
Yes, Commander.
Jedi. Go for it. Turn off an LRM 20.
10-4.
Come.
The play. Then I can kind of move everybody else into position for the ambush that's sure to come.
On my way!
I'm going to come over here and shoot you in the back. Yeah, shoot you in the back.
Lay down your weapon.
We will let loose on this cougar. Get treats.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
Oh yes. Get more treats. What? We're also going to advance. Ooh, okay. Much. If I go like that. Yeah, we're gonna aim at you. And we're gonna say aim for the head. We're gonna go over here. Okay, so hey, it's building. Then my troops die. I don't dig that at all. Eh? There we go. That looks right. Load. Name. So,
Affirmative.
fire in places where I did not
On my way.
use Inferno stuff.
Acknowledged, Commander.
Acknowledged.
Location confirmed.
You. You're gonna aim for center of mass.
Roger.
Because there's, like, fat chance that you're gonna...
Target missed.
better chance of hitting with all of the things. Bye-bye.
It's go time. Enemy eliminated.
Do need to sprint. And enter turn.
Waiting for orders.
Doctor.
Yes, Commander.
Freedom.
Aye.
Omnipotent, omniscient, sovereign, immutable.
Oh.
There is no escape, no intervention can work in this place.
I don't think that mech pilot is having a very good time at the moment. Oh.
Enemy mech. Critical damage detected.
I copy.
Roger that, Commander.
Affirmative.
Consider it done.
Everybody advance. Well. You. Aim for the head.
Roger.
LRMs, plasma PPC, LRMs. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have the metric shit ton of LRMs. So we're gonna leave you where you're at. I would like you also to go and fire upon them. You have ammunition, and it needs to be placed upon their mech. Nope. Headshots. Okay. Well. Servo. We're gonna go over here, because I need technically you to be a spotter at the moment. I may regret...
Coordinates received.
Okay, yeah. Don't know why there's... I'm once again a nuisance to Mother Nature. Lighting fucking the forest on fire again.
I'm going.
Light damage. Holding firm.
Dare you?
Got it, Commander.
Oh, there goes your leg.
Think I hit something.
Don't need to tell me twice.
Coordinates received. Position confirmed.
I'm rolling.
I at least did a little bit. Ooh, Firemouth's coming to play? Ooh, Firemouth's. Alright, you're gonna target protect for everybody else in the turn. Make everybody else's lives a little bit easier. And yeah. Sharky, welcome in. So I suspect you've been lurking for a bit.
Firing.
No joy.
Nothing.
Load. Yay! What? Doesn't... Oh, Blood Asp. Well,
How sweet it is to be a god.
isn't that just fun?
Standing by. I'm there.
That. Rent as well. You're gonna go up this way.
Understood. Moving fast.
And we're also going to stay down.
It is not too late for my mercy. Farewell, sweet Nerevar.
Whoopsie doodle. Hey there, Kate. How are you doing? I think
Heading out.
probably actually have Sharmat go and pick up the VIP. That will probably be...
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor.
You know what? Go for it. Might be able to hit something.
Standing by.
Copy that. Roger.
I'm there.
Confirmed.
Coordinates received.
Apparently.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
We're gonna go and screen our Timberwolf friend.
Rolling.
I just, something tells me they're having a very bad day. Phantom.
Heads out.
Just so that you can actually have some evasion pips. Eh.
I'm walking here. I'm there.
Do 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 do.
We have the asset, Commander.
Oh. Well, that was anticlimactic.
Onward.
Oh wow, you can fucking go.
Move into position.
Come into play.
I'm receiving you. Move order received.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, she did. Hmm. There we go. Okay, so they have at least one. Oh, it's a fire moth. Oh. Guy. He's just a little guy. Hopefully there's, like, at least a medium mech coming up. Let's go with Hydra first. In the Dire Wolf. You're gonna go Fan. Thank you for dropping that shout-out, Trekkie.
Copy that, Commander.
Move order received.
Oh, I bring lots of big guns. In fact, I'm bringing 12 big guns as we speak. Yeah. I mean, you kind of an upgrade. What do you have? Machine gun. Well, let's continue on our way.
Ordnance received.
Oh, enemy contact. I'm okay with that. Haha. Hey. Not cool. Not cool at all.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Affirmative, Commander.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Gonna go over there. Okay. I mean, there's an easier way. What are you doing? I'm glad those PPCs missed. Oh. And? I would like you to fire upon him.
Yup.
Right. Where the Burke? You know what? Good enough. Turn off one of the ear. You know what? No. Turn off one of the UACs. I don't know why I would ever garrison any of my like battle armor troops in a building. Because like, if the enemy blows up, hey,
Crap. That hit hard.
that did damage to my armor. That's not cool. Pardon me. A and B.
No problem. I've got enough guns for everyone.
Standing by.
Cardon in the slow ass Atlas. Move up that way. I want that fat salvage. I should be able to get at least one mech out of this fight. I mean, the most... I might get a heavy mech. Most likely it'll be a medium. We're just gonna reload the save file. And hopefully... And if it does it again, I'm gonna try a different mission?
Firing. inflicted some nasty on that son of a bitch.
That's right.
What are your orders, Skipper?
Aim.
Acknowledged.
Shady. You get to play with a new ride. I need to get some more mech warriors.
Mech warriors, prepare for combat.
You should say thank you to Sharky. Two, 6, 56. Damn. You know what? I was expecting more. Well, I'm gonna get at least one light mech out of the deal. I thought you had the... Oh, no, you don't have the... Fleet of Foot, or whatever the fuck it's called. You do.
Looks like I'll need a new target.
Well, made short work of that battle mech.
Waiting for orders. I read you, Commander. Moving out.
Always headshots.
Here we go.
Oh.
Waiting for orders. Location confirmed.
We'll go with this. We'll aim at you, because you have... Yeah, you have battle armor on you.
Critical hit, Commander.
Nice. Hold on. There's a spot where I can have a... Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go right there. I've made a little bit of money. Nothing, like, significant, but a little bit. Okay, so I'll take the fire moth. That'll give me 3 fire moth pieces. Too bad I don't have multi-targeting on her. I'm gonna take shield stance though. And you know what? You're gonna drop... Blam. Yeah, you're gonna go over this way.
Moving out.
Oh. Ultra Ball. You hear me? I said Ultra Ball.
Acknowledged.
You know what? Multi-target. Hit Fox is going to be target A. Good sensor lock. You know what? I'll just kind of Hail Mary some shots at you.
Engaging target.
Yeah, like that. My good girl. Yes, you my good girl. You got your 2 treats.
Commander?
Ugh, it's a bunch of light mechs. Who's next? Sherman.
Come, Nerevar, friend or traitor, come.
Got it.
Think? That's actually everyone.
Roger. Venting heat.
So we should be leaving combat now. Yeah. Hold up. Something's up. Oh. Okay. Well. But it is a mech that I can sell.
Command interface initiated.
Okay, lasers. Oh yeah, Artemis works better when you're looking directly at them.
Acknowledged.
I don't want that mech to be standing there anymore. Please make it go away.
Target's down.
Thank you.
This is getting tiresome.
Well,
Good to go.
that is one less enemy to deal with. I'll take the salamander piece. I'll take the elemental piece. I'll take the 2 cougar pieces.
I hope we can salvage that.
Well, that took care of that, I guess.
Ready to rock.
80.
10-4.
You know what? Yeah. That
You
means
bet
the
that.
shooting is going to start soon.
Copy that, Commander.
Order acknowledged.
On the move.
Actually, no. I won't regret. Yeah, there we go. Ooh. Okay.
Confirmed. Moving to position.
On my way.
And I could, in order to even have a chance of hitting this guy right now, I need to fucking precision strike.
No luck. Ready for orders.
Could just take out all of the Jade Falcon forces. I mean, that's entirely plausible too.
Rolling. Coordinates received.
Yeah. Turn off the hyper assault gauss. I don't need to fire that.